customizing these old Air Force Ones I got. I've had these for about 2 years now. The soles on them are really yellow and a bunch of dirt and creases all over them. So I'm gonna restore them. And I also got some spray paint that I used on my car a couple months ago. I'm gonna take this and maybe do like a little splatter design or something like that. We're gonna figure it out. Like this video, share it, and let's get it. Alright man, first thing I'm gonna start with is cleaning the sneakers with instant cleaner I got from Modell's. Alright, now I'm pretty much ready to freestyle with the Sharpies. I'm gonna mark up everything right here, the little checks, the Nike Air logo in the front too. I'm gonna mark up everything except for the midsole. I'm gonna leave the midsole for now until I can figure out what to do with it because it's looking pretty crazy and yellow right now. I'll probably bleach it or something, but as of now, I'll put you on the time lapse right about now.
Biggie. Biggie. Biggie.
to do is paint the bottom yellow with this paint I have here. I was thinking about just leaving it the way it is because I think it looks pretty cool, but I don't know, man. I don't want to leave a yellow bottom like this, but it does look kind of cool. And I put a lot of extra things to it that I did not get to record because my camera died. Did this little Nemo, the Lion King, NASCAR logo. I drew this on the top, little Google symbol. I did a lot. So now I'm just gonna mask up the sneaker itself on the top and just paint the midsole right there. And probably draw on it and do a little more like designs on the words and stuff. And yeah, let's get it.
I just get it off on the plug. I just get it off like T-Pug. Yeah, I just get it off on 12. Niggas whip the work with one hand like Odell. Whip the work, yeah. I got eyeballs on the roof. Yeah, I keep niggas scars just for proof. Nigga, yeah, money so tall it could hoop. I'm high on my ID, my IG and IQ. Yeah, I just touched down. What's the scoop? What's the scoop? I just hear blase, 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 whoop-de-whoop, whoop-de-whoop, yeah.
Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you trippin', get your Mariah? Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you trippin', get your